Want to take screenshots of your Mac quickly and easily? In this video, I'll show you all the methods to capture your screen, whether you want to grab the entire screen, a selected portion, or even a specific window on your Mac. So let's get started. Hello guys, this is Azamgil and you're watching me on my YouTube channel. The easiest way to capture your entire screen is by using this simple keyboard shortcut, which is Command plus Shift plus 3. When you press all these keys together, your Mac takes a screenshot of your entire screen. A small preview appears at the bottom right corner of your screen. You can click it to edit or just leave it to let it save automatically. By default, your screenshot is saved to your desktop in PNG format. If you want to capture a specific part of a screen, use Command plus Shift plus 4. So when you press all these keys together, your cursor changes to a crosshair. Click and drag to the selected area you want to capture. Then release the mouse or trackpad to take the screenshot. Again, a preview appears in the bottom right corner of your screen, allowing you to edit, or you can just leave it to let it save. If you want to screenshot a specific window with a clean shadowed border, use Command plus Shift plus 4 together and then press Spacebar. This turns your cursor into a camera icon. Now you can click the window you want to capture. The screenshot will include a neat shadowed effect around the window, giving it a polished look. For even more options, press Command plus Shift plus 5 to open the screenshot toolbar. Here you can choose to capture the entire screen, capture a specific window, capture a selected portion, or even record your screen as a video. You can also change where your screenshots are saved or enable a short timer before the screenshot is taken. If you want to take a screenshot without saving it and want to just copy and paste it to your clipboard, what you can do is hold Control key while using any of the previous shortcuts. Once it has been copied to the clipboard, now you can paste it directly, maybe into the Word document by pressing Command plus V. You can also paste it into any image editor or an email, etc. Another way to take a screenshot is through the Preview app. Just open the Preview app, go to File, then go to Take Screenshot and choose whether you want to capture the entire screen, a selection, or a specific window. Once the screenshot is taken, you can then edit it, maybe rotate, save it, or delete it. And that's it. These are all the ways you can take screenshots on your Mac for free. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Mac and tech tutorials. For now, I, Azamgil, is signing off. See you in the next video. Until then, peace.